Welcome to the future of music production, where artificial intelligence is not just an idea, but a revolution transforming how we create sound. In today's fast-paced world, music producers face the challenge of staying ahead while maintaining creativity and efficiency. Enter AI, a game changer in the industry. Imagine having a virtual assistant that suggests chord progressions or generates beats, tailored to your unique style. AI tools like Amper Music and Iva are doing just that, helping producers craft music with unprecedented ease and precision. These platforms allow you to input preferences, and in seconds you receive compositions that would traditionally take hours or days to produce. Let's dive deeper. One of the standout tools is Lander, an AI-powered mastering service that ensures your tracks sound polished and professional. It analyzes your music and applies the perfect mastering settings, giving your sound that studio-quality finish from anywhere in the world. Now, consider the challenge of finding the right sound for your track. AI tools like Magenta by Google are pushing boundaries by enabling the creation of new sounds and instruments, unlocking limitless potential for creativity. This means no more settling for stock sounds. Instead, you have the power to innovate and personalize your music like never before. These AI tools are not just about speed and efficiency. They empower producers across the globe, from the bustling studios of London to the vibrant music scenes in Istanbul and Reykjavik. Whether you're crafting electronic beats in Berlin or exploring traditional melodies in Dublin, AI is your ally in bridging cultural sounds and styles. The impact of AI in music production is clear. By minimizing repetitive tasks, it frees up time for creativity and experimentation. But what does the future hold? As technology continues to evolve, we can anticipate even more sophisticated tools that will further blur the lines between human creativity and machine intelligence. In conclusion, AI is not here to replace producers but to enhance their capabilities, offering new opportunities for innovation and expression. So whether you're a seasoned producer or just starting out, embracing these tools can elevate your music to new heights. Thank you for joining us on this journey through AI in the music industry. Stay tuned for more insights and innovations as we continue to explore the soundscapes of tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.